Yeah, I broke through the road. See how far down my tire is? Doggone it. This tire is still up. Oh, I was cranking on it. Shoot, you can see I'm spinning there. This tire is down. I went too far. I thought I'd be better off going out that side. I guess I should have stayed over here. Son of a gun. Yeah, I'm here by myself. Those guys left early because blew holes on the limber. Now what? Got a hike. Oh, had a heck of a hike back to a machine. Nuts. I was driving on somebody else's tracks. It's not like I was venturing out in the unknown. Let's do that. Well, I'm trying everything I can. I'm dug out in front of the wheels. I just think it's high, you know, stuck, or the rear end sitting right on the ground, I think. Oh, if I could get ahead 20 feet. That's a long 20 feet from where I'm sitting. Boy, am I avoiding trying to walk back and get that stuff. Or get a machine. Yeah, I'm stuck. So, good thing I wore a headlamp. Or I have a headlamp. Oof. Start hiking in my wolf-infested swamp. Oh, in a snowstorm, in the dark. What a whiner I am. Oh, hey, I need the exercise, I guess. Oh, I should time myself, see how long it takes to walk back there. Of all the nights for me to be alone. Oh well, could be worse. I'm happy to see you. I probably should have taken the skidder, but it'd be a lot quicker. But I don't want to break the road, so I'm going to take this. The road is not, well, anything else Captain Obvious, it's not very good. A whopping 2.8 miles an hour at full throttle. Oh, I lucked out. Bigfoot tracks. Oh, he was following me, I know it. Hey, there it is. My pickup's still there. I was afraid somebody stole it. Yeah, like they could have driven it out of there. Oh boy, I suppose I'm gonna have to get around front and pull on it. Stay off the road up there so I don't break it up anymore. Or I suppose I could pull it back and then when I go out just stay over here to the right. Good thing I got a chain. I think I have a jerk strap in the back seat too. I'd like to go forward. Well, I got in front of it. And you might ask, well, how can a 65,000 pound machine drive right past where a pickup can't drive? It's called ground pressure. A lot of surface area on the ground with these tracks versus 4 little spots with those tires. Okay, I have the pickup shut off and in neutral, so hopefully the tires will stay straight, because a lot of times when you pull on a vehicle they like to go sideways. Come on, girl, come on. I shut my headlights off so they wouldn't blind me. Just left the parking lights on so I wouldn't lose it in the dark. Look at that. Way to go, Timco. Nothing to it. I assume I'm safe there, but I'm going to pull it just a little bit farther. Alright, that should be good, right? Or just keep going. Hey, Louis McNeely, I did not do this on purpose just to make a video. Just so you know, there's no conspiracy here. And quit picking on me. No. The front driver's tire was, yeah, it was down in the water. She needs to freeze. I should have hit her faster, huh, Matthew? Should have poured the coal to her. I wasn't going slow, but obviously not fast enough or not in the right spot. Oh, Timko, you were a good girl. Good girl today. I can't really run this with one hand, huh? Alright, I'm gonna have to get off here, but run it with the elbow. No. Alright. Through the other soft spot. Oh, look at that. Ooh. That's a big old chunk. Oh, man. I don't know if you can tell how far down I was down. Whoa. Down here a little ways. Whew, that was close. That was close. I was sliding and bouncing all over. Oh boy, got some of the snow cleaned off my roof though. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you had a lot better day than I did, because I still got to go home.